see? Oh my god. Oh my god, bitch. Fenty who? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And all I have to say is $1 highlighters.
$1 highlighters.
$1 highlighters. And I bought 4 of them to try out for you today. And I can't fit all of it. $4. Well, yeah, $4 for all of them. Guys, so this is future Marianne. I'm editing this and I forgot to mention that I did like film the makeup aisle in Dollar Tree, so you guys can see a little bit of that, and because there are some good stuff, so if you're interested in that, I'm just gonna insert that right now. I just took them all out of the packaging because of that. I should have thought that through. So there's, in the dollar store, there are 6 shades. There's a pink or purple, which I didn't get because I'm not about to be using purple highlighter or pink. These aren't advertised as highlighters. These are advertised as loose eyeshadow or pigments. So, and I got 4 of the colors that look like highlighting shades. So the lightest one is Snow White. Looks like that. There's a color. Then second to that is Honeysuckle, and it looks like that. Then there's like a bronzy shade, and this is in Radiant. It looks like that. Sorry. And then there's a gold one, and it is called Sunshine. So those are the 4 colors I got, and I have 4 highlighting brushes here with me, so we can test out. I do have a bit of highlight going on right now, so I'm just gonna maybe like top that off. I think I'm gonna do maybe 1 on each cheek, like 2, 1 on each cheek, and then I'll swatch the rest. Or maybe I can do 1 here, 1 here, 1 down my nose, maybe 1 on the cupid's bow. I don't know, figure it out. But yeah, I'm gonna swatch them first. So this is Snow White. They just unscrew like that. There's some of the cap here. So it's a brush. That's so weird. Okay, I don't want to spill it, but you see how that's inside. So I'm gonna take this one and just dig. Whoa. And do this cheek. Oh my god. Oh, she's glittery. Beautiful. I like how I said I was gonna swatch them first, and now I'm just putting it on my face. So there's Snow White on my face. And just swatch it. Okay, I don't like the way this is packaged. So there's Snow White on my hand right now. My cheek, as you can see. Just gonna blend it out. So it's glittery, but it's not glittery that you can't buff it in. It's pretty. Okay, so there's the white. Okay, and let's do, I want to do what is one? Honeysuckle. Because it looks like the one I have from the Urban Decay Flush palette. So that's honeysuckle. Swatch it next to. She is a messy queen. There's honeysuckle. I don't know if you can see that or not right there. Honeysuckle. And we're gonna swatch that. Oh shit. Okay, there's honeysuckle. Right there. I don't know if you can see that on camera. Hopefully, if not, this would be in vain. Gold one. Okay, let's do the gold one. Oh, okay, the gold one is pigmented. She's gold. You guys aren't ready for the gold one. Do you see that? Is that not like a trophy wife dupe? I'm a bit shook to that. Little, I don't know if this is good for, like, can I use this? I don't know. I don't feel like I can use this. Okay, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I'm excited for that one. I'm excited for that gold. So I'm just gonna take a little brush like this and really not even, like, I'm trying not to have like a yellow nose, you know? Bitch, you got a yellow nose. Okay, it's not too bad. I can pull that off. Okay, she's pretty. Do you see? Oh my god, I love her. Oh my god, bitch. Fenty who? I'm kidding. Obviously, Fenty Trophy Wife is much more bam in your face. But like, do you see that swatch though? I'm gonna go over there and go into swatch. Like, okay, so the last one is Radiant. So there's, oh my god. Do you see how pretty those are? So definitely these are the more sheer ones, and these are the colors. I'm guessing the pink and the purple one will probably be like this. So do you see how pretty that is? And with that, I'm just gonna go my chin. Huh. That looks right on my chin. This color I might be able to pull it off if I'm tanner, or I can, since these are pigments, these aren't technically highlighters, on the lid will be beautiful with a nice cat eye, which I'll probably do. But yeah, do you see that? Okay. Oh my god, those are so pretty. Wow, because here's the thing, they're like glittery, but they're like shimmer. I don't know how to explain it. I'm gonna try and see if I can build up the white and the other color that's more sheer. So I'd say the one that's not buildable is like the white one, but then again, you can probably just use it as your egg yolk sauce, since it is that like transparency type of shade. Bitch, look at this. Bitch. Oh my god, I am a beacon. This is everything and more. I'm really excited. Yeah, I highly suggest you, if you have a dollar store near you, or even if you have like LA Color, or if you see these anywhere, try them out. These are the most pigmented, like color wise. And that gold, oh my god. And these are more like highlighty washes, so you can probably get away with these more, but if you're fair. But if you're darker skinned, I'm pretty sure you can get away with these. I mean, and I'm sure the shades are like perfect for anyone, but like beautiful. And since they are pigments, you can use them as eyeshadow or body glitter or whatever you want to call it, you know. So highly suggest you check these out if you like a glow like I do. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. with highlighters, I highly suggest